Are you searching for a successful way to expel belly fat? Or on the other hand, maybe you want to lose extra fat through your body and healthy life? Have you at any point attempted any treatments? In addition, the vast majority attempted from numerous points of view to attempt to take care of the same issues without progress. The Flat Belly Fix is an alternate online program that allows several kilos to lose unwanted fat in the center inside a couple of days, without symptoms. The program reveals a mystery herb that can be incorporated into the eating routine to register obstinate fat. Flat Belly Fix program for all the individuals who will lose their weight. From various perspectives that actually help make your body fats that consume calories, especially for individuals more than 40 years old. Flat Belly Fix is a weight loss program that guarantees you wear all the correct places fast and snappy. This program was created by Todd Lamb. It aims is an age-related program intended to treat you to adjust and fortify your stomach. Todd helped her lose all the extra weight by utilizing various strategies and exercises and incorporating them into everyday life. Instead, you will get short exercises that will help your metabolism for the duration of the day. Flat Belly Fix helps in getting thinner and confesses to insider facts, tips, and deceives that are straightforward and modest. The program reveals a mystery herb that can be incorporated into the eating regimen to register difficult fat. You've learned what sort of nourishment you eat to feel much improved and get vitality. How can it work? Flat Belly Fix program is separated into 3 parts inside 21 days. The 7-minute flat stomach convention, and the smooth formula manual for liquefying belly fat. In this 21-day program, you discover the insider facts of health and dealing with the issue of weight, which has never been revealed. It increases testosterone levels in men, raises the risk of creating heart disorder, fortifying the thyroid to consume fat, improve mindset and concentration, smooth the skin and resuscitate it to look more youthful. What will you learn from Flat Belly Fix? Flat Belly Fix program gives tips on the body by giving detailed directions, photographs and recordings to dissolve belly fat in only 21 days. You will learn the situation of the body, developments, and pressures to encourage abdominal loss in the abdomen. You will learn about what you have to eat and the list of items to avoid, along with the nutritional information contained in the program. Learn progressively about herbs and flavors and other old fixings that accelerate fat loss. Reward 7-minute flat belly convention. The Flat Belly Fix smoothie plans. VIP online coaching. Pros Flat Belly Fix program. The weight will lessen as fast as you expected with no reactions. This program guidelines and tips are easy to understand because they are clearly composed. The training takes place through detailed guidelines, video content, and photographs that are valuable to clients. The outcomes are fast. On the off chance that you pursue the program, you will get results inside 21 days or 3 weeks. It gives a 60-day unconditional promise. This program can be trailed by people to rapidly get a flat and attractive belly. Cons: it is just available on the web. You cannot locate this any local stores. Conclusion: Flat Belly Fix program is exceptionally easy to pursue. It rapidly turns out to be clear, diminishing weight loss and making sure that you work better with sustenance and increasingly viable exercises. It may be for you. Then again, if thinning arrangements that you tried a year ago, you want to achieve successful outcomes in 3 weeks. This program incorporates 100% guarantee satisfaction, and also it incorporates unconditional promise inside 60 days. Presently get it out before the part of the bargain. Greater than learn more about the Flat Belly Fix, http://bit.ly/flatbellyfix.